Over the last several days, I bet we've received over a foot of snow so far. I mean, look at this. And just last week, it was in the 40s and everything was melting. Normally, I would walk over here and fire up my snowblower, which is right over there. It is a big 28-inch, very powerful track snowblower. Here it is. This thing really moves the snow, and it was perfectly designed for this type of weather, this much snow. However, I'm not gonna do that, because about a week and a half ago, I did something. Like I said, it was so warm out, the driveway just became an actual sheet of ice. It was slipperier than oil on glass. So I fired up the excavator and started scratching at the driveway and breaking up the ice. I'll insert a little video right now of what it looked like after I was done.